Welcome back, everyone. We are doing this. Man, I'm pumped. We got a little trading this right now, getting right into it. Played off the bottom here, had this candle. This is what I call bottle rocket. Jumped on the bottle rocket with a bunch of shares. And what I have left right now is only 2 contracts with a stop at 124. Up 231, $243 on it. So what I got left guarantees me my $200 for the day. Let's go. Let's go. You guys know how it works. I shoot for $200 in day trading for those who are part of the Discord. For those who are not a part of the Discord, this is what I do. Twice a week, I come in, I try to make $200 live, help people out. And that's what we're doing. It's about taking steps towards financial freedom. It's towards doing the right thing. And yeah, we are at a point that I see so much suffering out there. I see people out there just, Mo, I'm banging my head. I'm not talking living under the bridge, eating cat food with the trolls, but there's, you're going to work every day. Tell me if this resonates with you. You are going to work every day. You're working your 40. You get done. You get to the weekend. You're exhausted. You're exhausted. You can't, it's hard to get up on a Saturday when you're so wore out from working 40, 50, 60 hours for the week, and you're not even getting ahead. You pay all your bills, the credit cards, the interest, the car loan, the mortgage, the kids need stuff. And you look at your account and you're like, is this it? Is this it? And unless you do something about it, it is it. And what do you do, Mo? I'm already working 60 hours a week. Well, the first thing, you got to get all your bills under control. You got to invest. That's the hope. And I know we're broke. I know we don't have a lot of money. But I'm going to tell you this right now. I remember being at my lowest. And I'm talking 3 kids, tons of bills. And the one thing, it gave me hope was investing. And it really does give you hope. Because as you start to see that account build, even though the bills are there, they're not going anywhere. The bills are going to be there for the rest of your life. But that hope grows. And eventually, your account starts to be bigger than your bills. And I remember that day. I call that Freedom Day. The day that I had more money than I owed. That's Freedom Day. Because moving forward, if you watch what you spend and you continue to invest, that money continues to outpace what you're doing in debt. In other words, there comes a point where hope is a reality and you're no longer hoping for it, but you're getting it. You're grabbing it. You're just grabbing it by the reins and you're continuing to invest in yourself. I will say this. Everybody always says, what's the biggest investment you can make? And I'm not here to I'm not a word guy. You know what it is? It's you. You need to invest in you. I know you want to help everybody else. I know you want to just, hey, I got my kids, I got my wife, I got my husband, I got my parents, I got my grandparents, I got my siblings. It starts with you, man. It's like on an airplane, the oxygen thing comes down, you want to help everybody around you. What do they say? Help yourself first or you're going to pass out. And so you got to put that mask on. Well, the mask is you investing in yourself. It's not being greedy. It's not being selfish. By getting to financial freedom yourself, you will find that you are able to help others more once you get there. You can give them a penny today or you can give them $1 tomorrow. The idea is, by doing what you need to do for you, you're going to be able to help out those you want to help, or nobody at all. I know there's some of you out there who say, Mo, I don't want to help anybody except myself. I'm not here preaching saying, hey, you got to help people. You don't have to do anything. I still want you to get the financial freedom because I don't want you to hate your life. Life is here but a moment, seriously. And then it's gone. Let's enjoy it. Let's have fun. Let's spend some time together in this video. I'm going to do a little Casino Wednesday. For those who know, I usually do this on Thursday in the Discord live privately. And I'm going to, my My goal is to make $200. I'm already up that. So now, yeah, I got to tell you, the charts are freaking crazy. Crypto is ripping bullish. Like I'm impressed. I'm impressed. We're going to go over that too. I don't know. It's doing what it's doing. I got 2 contracts left here. I'm up 40% on this. We got 2 calls. It's still running. I got the stop loss set, so I will mess with the stop loss here. I have it at 122. I usually do 10 cents down, so I want to lock in. I'm going to go 141 on this, 142. Confirm, send. The stop loss has been changed. So what I do there is, no, that's not what I want. I move the stop loss as I do this because I want to lock in some of the money. So I don't want it to go all the way back down to 120 something. So at 153, I could say, oh, I'll go to 143, about 10 cents. I'll confirm it, send, stop loss is set. If it goes down to there, I gave some back. If it keeps running, I move it up. Like you just saw me move from 122 up to 148 or 140, whatever it was. That's a big move. Up $262. I love it. Let's go. Hit the like button if you guys are ready for financial freedom. It's a long journey, man. Step by step. Step by step. Financial freedom. FF. Put FF in the comments if you're ready for financial freedom. I know I am, man. Hey, happy Turkey Day to everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Whoa! I need you know what I need? I need a sports bar. I need to call it Moe's, but it's not a sports bar. It's a trading. Oh, I got to stop. You guys heard the ding a doom. It means I'm out of this place. So we'll do a new play. We got a lot of FFs in there. I want to shout out some of you putting FF out there. Financial freedom. Financial freedom. Clam nose. Trading lab. Let's go. Rudy's in the house. I appreciate you, BTC. There we go. Let's go. ABC. David, let's go. Beers. Hot sauce. Let's go. Let's go. Ged's in the house. Let's go. I love seeing the FFs. Financial freedom, folks. We're just getting started. Crystal with the Thanksgiving. Let's go. I'm cooking turkey myself. How many of you are cooking turkey tomorrow? Matthew in the house. Love this show. You guys like the live streams? You guys like the live streams? Let me know. I don't do them often. I want to. I don't know. Not a lot of people watching. Only 400. FF in the house. FF. John, let's go. Mark, let's go. Love you back, Benny. Let's do it. All oxen. Love it. Sightless. Crypto Brandon XPR. Yo. Hello, Mo. Hope it was well. So far it is. Got 200. I'll give that back. Don't worry. We got all kinds going on, man. I appreciate all this, man. Taking the Mustang out. I got the Mustang shirt on for those who can't tell. I got the Mustang shirt on. I got a Mustang. Yes. We'll see what we got, man. We'll see what we got. We got all kinds of going. Not yet. I can only take it out. I can take it out. Today's not too bad in the weather. I can't take it out. My car has racing tires on it. And if the weather gets to, I think it's under 42 degrees, so the tires are 38 degrees, the tires will slide off the road. They're made for hot roads to stick. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we got a lot of good things going on, man. We got a lot of good things going on. Financial freedom, boys. Let's do it. Mo. What's that? Where does one get a chart to trade on? Now, I use TradingView. I use TradingView. Right here's TradingView. Look, I got stopped out right here. And now it's going to hit the 13 and bounce up. What's it doing, man? What's it doing? It's killing me. Killing me. Yeah, hit the like button, everybody. Let's get this thing up to 400 likes as quickly as we can. I'll be trading live here. Now, you guys see what we're watching. I'm seeing resistance here. And so I like to take chances. And they're not always right. They are definitely not always right. When I take chances, I take chances. So I'm looking at the puts. Are we going to put? Are we putting? You can see we're almost up here. If we break this, it runs. Am I going to go puts? See how it's getting up there? It's pushing back. I'm going for it. Going to put it. Getting some pudding. It could, like I said, I don't spend a lot. Oh, there it is. I got my 5 cents. I shoot for the quick 5 on these. Oh, I didn't get it. Let's see if we get it. Oh, looking for 104 again. Oh, I had it. See, I shoot for the 104, but because I'm live streaming, I'm not at my normal setup here, guys. Oh, I'm going to get hit. I had exactly what I wanted. Down to the 5 was what I was playing. I was just a tad slow. Unfortunately for me, this might end up costing me. Oof. If it breaks this, I get out. You can see the resistance down to this, where there should be resistance. We will see. I'm taking a big chance on a big bull run here on the short term. I wanted to see if this thing would hit up here, push back down to the 5. And you can see a little bit of this candle. This is what I call a little indecision, and normally we'll get a little red after that. Right now, though, not looking good. This is a lot of fun. Like I said, I call this Casino Wednesday, usually Thursday in the Discord. We take some chances. We have some fun. Okay, this is it. This is where I get hit. See how it hit it and it pulls back? If it breaks it, I get smoked. If it holds, it should push down quickly. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know, man. They're fighting it. They're fighting it. I was looking for selling at 104. Oh, I got my water up just in case. We're right at my price. Woo! Nope, greened it up. There it is. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need 104. I had 104. Nope. So you guys can see all this because I wasn't quick enough, unfortunately for me. So I still might losing the 100, 200 here. We don't want to break it. This is where it has to push back down. If it breaks it, it's breaking the resistance. This is the resistance. This would be massive. Smokers. That's huge. Let's see if it holds. It's trying. It pushed back down. Let's see. This would be the one. So you can see it moving up slowly and surely. It pushed back down. Will this one push back down? We got 60 seconds. We'll see how it goes. This is the big resistance for those who haven't been watching. This is where I like to take a little bit of risk. And you can see we hit it. We hit it. And we'll see if we hit it again right here. Down we go. Are we going to do it or are we not? And it looks like it's going to break through. And if it's going to break through, I got to get out. Boy, that's a steep looking one. Wow. I don't know. Failing again, but man, it wants to. I won't be in this long. For those who watch me day trading. Yep, that's it. I'm telling you, man. Sadly, it finished above where I'm comfortable. I give it one candle for confirmation. As long as this candle doesn't burn me too bad, then I take the L. Woo! Don't fight the trend, man. Played the resistance versus trend. Looks like the trend is going to win. I like this better than going and doing things in a slot machine or over at a, people go play horses and stuff like that. Me personally, I like playing these charts. Now, this one didn't work out as well yet. As you can see, we're up to that resistance. I give it one candle after it breaks a line in the sand for me to see if it confirms. And if it confirms, that's usually enough for me to call it. Now, this one has confirmed. So at that point, you can see we gave a little back, gave a lot back, actually. But that's just part of the game. Oh, man. Just still watching. I want to see if there's some sideways here. They're like stair-stepping up. Like up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm looking for the first down, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. Nice little movement up, steady. It's just stuck to my call options here. Took a little chance right around this line here. Still thought we'd come back down. We haven't yet, but I'm giving it a little second here. Giving it a hot second. Normally, I don't do this, to be blunt. All right, so you got the warning shot here. It keeps moving though. Whoever's buying, they're buying. They're continuing to buy. So I'm costing myself here with the K and taking a little risk. I'm going against my own judgment. I have my little, yeah, and it's going to cost me. So, okay, at this point, I'm going to call it. Sadly. All right. So giving some back, only 75 up now. We broke above the resistance. I took a chance on this. We broke it. Now at that point, the bulls are in charge. So I will wait and watch. We will look at some of the charts for the day. I know some of you guys are here to see the XRP as well as crypto and the markets. Holy cow. This is the Qs. The Qs have confirmed. Look at this. Gapping up. Massive gap. 5's going to cross the 13 on Friday. Massive move. This cancels out the bears. I thought, I'm going to be blunt, I honestly thought we were going down 10 to 20% altogether from the highs. We got down about 5%. There you go. Confirmation, 5 crossing over. We confirm back above the 50. We confirm back above the 50 RSI. It's bullish. I'm looking to do some moves later. I'm talking big moves in the Discord. All right. So members, be prepared for that. Big money moves coming. What do we got going on? Let me make sure we got everything lined up. For those who don't know, the master classes are live. And these are 3 years worth of work. First link down below. Get in there. Code crypto right now. Saves you over 400. It's our Black Friday sales, 400 and something bucks. The crypto course was just released this week. We have the options and the technicals are fire. If you guys have not done this, do it. Get in there. But the bundles are the best deals. They're already discounted plus that. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. All right. Come in here. Look at XRP. So for me watching this, for everybody saying, Mo, you buying? Not yet. You can see we're right at a support. It's right back at that support, but now resistance. So if it breaks that, the line I think would make me feel all warm and fuzzy, confirm, would be the 50 EMA. That's what I'm looking for. So the 5's going to cross tomorrow, as long as we stay green. The 5 will cross on Turkey Day. Oh, I don't even have it up there. There you go. The 5 will cross on Turkey Day. So you can see we got support, a little bit of support here. We failed down to the Bollinger Band. We came back up to this. It's kind of like resistance at this point. And I want to see this taken out. That, my friends, just so I know, yeah, you can see I've been looking at this. 223 roughly. And this candle is a really nice candle. If we finish green above here, above this finish, I do believe we're going up to the 50 EMA. So from 223, I think we're going up to 237, which is a 14-cent gain. I like that over the next few days. I think that's going to happen. The true change, though, for me, teasing the 50, teasing the 50, teasing the 50, teasing the 50. We haven't broken it. In other words, this is still a bearish trend. Until we break it, we got a new, new lower high, new lower high. You guys can see what's going on. Lower low, lower low, lower low. We really need to break like this right here, 252. But it's looking good. So far, this is what it needs to do. I'm not done, though. XRP doing what it needs to do. If you're with me for XRP, hit the like button. Let's check out ETH. Let's check them all out. ETH is up to the 13 as well. Still below the 50 RSI. In other words, still bearish. For those who played the bottom down here, congrats. We thought that might be near term until we break the 50. So I'm patient on this. I know I want to be in, man. I'm in bed. I'm rolling around. I want to have it all in there. I don't got any Ethereum. I want it. Oh, I want it. Look at this downturn. And you have this little teeny upswing and everybody goes crazy on Bitcoin. Like you're all the way up here at 126,000. We get all the way down to 80. And we move back up to 90. It's a nice move. It's a nice candle right here. We hit the 13. I actually think you're probably going to end up at about 93.4 before we hit some resistance. And we'll see if we can take it. Blackhawk, 99. Have a good day. I'm going to take care of the family. The cat, the Tesla cat at the top of the screen. That's our logo, baby. Here, I'll give you a little clam bellies. Here you go. That S, that's an S. The tail's an S for stock, and the body's an M for stock Moe. And there's your Tesla cat. That's an old throwback to the beginnings. Hit the like button. Let's get the people watching. Let's give them what they need to know. We'll do a little trading while we're in here. See if we can give all back that 200. Boom. Yeah, so, and the last one, Solana. Solana was the worst performer. You guys can see we were loving this. All the way up to 254. Even after the run, we're at 144. 110 down. This thing got all the way down to 121. We lost 50% on that top price. And now we're down here. We are crossing the 13. This is bullish. I would not go against it until it reverses back. So I would be bullish at this point. The 5's going to cross. I'm thinking we're going up to the 50. We don't know, but that's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at. We got some good things going on. Let me know where you guys are all from. We'll do some shout outs to the cities and states and countries that are watching around the world. I always like it when people, I talk to people around the world. A lot of Europeans, I love talking to them. They're like, you guys celebrate what? Thanksgiving? What's that all about? Eating turkey? Eating a turkey? I said, yeah, it's not about, I said, people from other countries look at it like we celebrate, with the pilgrims and the Indians. And I said, it's more about family. It's about being thankful for all the good things, family, friends, all that. I said it's more about that. It's not about what formed the holiday. I go, at least for most regular people, it's about having all the family together and just celebrating being together. Yeah, there it is. I see you guys come. There it is. Long Island, New York, Indiana in the house. We got Los Angeles in the house. Love going out there. Plymouth. Isn't that where Thanksgiving started? I don't even know. Well, they got that rock out there. Texas in the house. I know Plymouth Rock. Is that the original rock they had there? Somebody carved in. Was that original? Is that still there? 16, whatever. I don't even remember, but man, yeah. Colorado in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Boston. My brother worked in Boston for quite a few years. Much love from the Netherlands. Let's go. Do they celebrate Turkey Day in the Netherlands? We know the answer is no. Where are you getting turkeys? We got to take some turkeys. Have some wild turkeys in the Netherlands. They're awesome to watch. Yeah. Did you know if a turkey looks up in the rain, it'll drown? There's your odd turkey fact for the day. Roll Tide, roll. There we go. Alabama representing. Belgium in the house. I don't know. We got turkeys flying around Belgium. Do we have turkeys in Belgium? Or is that a North America thing? I don't know. They got turkeys over there? Wild turkeys I'm talking about. Canterbury, England representing. I have a great grandfather who immigrated from London, England, and came over to the U.S. Arizona representing. Enter Trading Lab, Texas. We got Canada. Let's go. Toronto. Love it. Love it. Next to Plymouth. There you go. There you go. I'm learning. Kissimmee, I'm going back down there soon. I'm coming down your way. I want to have some fun down there, relax a little bit. I'm taking just a little break, finish the course. It has been brutal work for me. There we go. San Diego. Manila. I want to go out there so bad. I want to go visit the Philippines. San Diego. Love it. Yep. You know, every time I see San Diego, I think of Will Ferrell and the Anchorman. San Diego. Let's go. St. Petersburg, Florida. Mike, hope you're doing well, my friend. Hilton Head. Let's go, baby. South Carolina representing. Love from Umpalumpa. I don't know how to say it, and please forgive me, but man, it sounds warm. It sounds warm. Ottawa, that doesn't sound warm. That sounds the opposite of warm. It sounds cold. Toronto. I don't know. Is it warm up in Ottawa right now? Is it warm in Colorado? I don't think so. Anytime I hear that in December, I'm thinking cold. It's 60 where I'm at, roughly. The Valley, representing Louisiana, Eastern Oregon. Belmont. Is that where they run the Belmont? Or is that, I don't know. Is that New York? North Carolina and Vegas. I need to get out to Vegas. Yeah, I'm not even going to try to say it again, but you guys get it. What country's that? What state's that? Where are we at? Louisiana, H-Town, McKinney, Florida, Missouri, my B-Day week. Here's the thing. We don't have B-Day weeks here. We have B-Day months. This is your month. December's your month. You don't get just a day. You don't get a week. You get the month. That's how we do it at our house. We always laugh. We're like, it's my birthday month. My birthday month is in February. Yeah, there it is. It's carved 1620 on the rock. It's right outside of Plymouth. We're learning together about Plymouth Rock. Is that the original carving on the rock from 1620? Like they carved it in 1620. That's what I want to know. Or was that the rock they landed at and then, 100, 200, 300 years later, they carved it? Let us know in the comments. I'll put it up here. Thank you, Michael. We're learning together. You guys can tell I'm a teacher. I actually love learning. Mirando City, Texas, deep South Texas. It's not 30 there. Guarantee it's a little bit warmer. No, we don't. Melbourne, Australia. Let's go. Carrie in the house representing now. A little odd fact for people watching. Australia has the opposite of where I live. In other words, when it is the coldest of the year here, it's the hottest of the year down there. Carrie, get your sunscreen out because it has to be getting warm down there. I was always told it's 6 months different from where I'm at here. So if it's December here, it's like the weather. Let's see. So January, February, March, April, May. So it's like May. So it's starting to be spring your way. Let me know if I'm correct down there, Carrie, if I'm wrong. So it's starting to warm up from your cold season and it's getting nice. Watching Tampa in the house. We know it's warm in Tampa every day. Wilmington. Let's go down to the races down there for that. LA, by the way of West Virginia. Susie Carr in the house. LA. Susie, I would love to know what got you out to LA. I've been to LA. I have friends in LA. They tried to talk me into moving to LA. I got to be blunt. I'm just a country boy. I just want to sit by some water, feed some fish, cast a line, and I'm not going to lie to you, read a lot of stock info, try to make a lot of money. That's the beauty of the stock market. You guys can do all this. and you don't even have to leave your house. Philippines, that's it. London, UK in the house. Philippines in the house. We got the Pacific and the Atlantic back to back. New Jersey, Mo, I'm about to swing trade. MicroStrategy, 180 December call. Good idea or no? Let's take a look. Miguel Soto. That's a beautiful name. Miguel Soto. I like that name. That's a solid name. That's a name where I see that name. I'm friends with that guy. Let's take a look at MicroStrategy. I'm sorry. That's the new name of it. Wow. Okay. You're going to swing trade this. It's oversold. It's coming back up. I think it's going to run back up to the 13 personally. You can see we double tested the bottom, double bottom on the RSI. We are now moving back up. We're at the 5. That takes us to Bitcoin. So we say, what about Bitcoin, Mo? Talk to me. Bitcoin has crossed and confirmed today above the 5, meaning we're going to 13. I would say short term, you're okay. We'll see if we get resistance at the 50 RSI for this coming up. Personally, I would say it's going to succeed more than likely than fail, with the caveat that you never know. You guys know I play statistics. I was a statistics teacher. I love statistics, probabilities of what I do. Like, hey, you guys, I'm not going to lose sleep over this. For those who don't know about my day trading, I have taken 10,000. This is an estimate, and roughly turned it into 6 figures. And that's over about 2.5 years now. So I played that we were going to dip. All right, right here. I played this down. Now, what do you notice? Was I wrong right here? And it stopped me out. Right here. It stopped me out. And look what happened. I would have made bank. I was right. The one I just lost $100 on, I was right. I was right. And now it's come down and I got hit. In other words, I held for one more minute. We would have been not at 270. We'd have been at 374. Instead, I'm at 70 or whatever I'm at. What am I at? 75. You can't, I'm telling you. If you guys haven't taken my technical course, code crypto, save you 400 and some odd dollars off of that. This is a tough day to day trade. Notice how we're in this channel right here, this channel. It's not moving. We are right where we were at noon, and it's 2:45 right now. Crazy, crazy. Let's go, though. Let's keep this thing moving. Caught the live. You did, Tom. You did. Yeah, summer's here. Carrie said summer is here, December, January, and February. So I was right. It is summer in Australia. I got to go down there. I want to go. Like, I love Lord of the Rings. Me and my kids, we love it. And we watch it once a year, all of them. I want to go to, I think that's in New Zealand. I want to go down and visit there. Odd fact, I think New Zealand has the highest minimum wage in the world, I believe. It's beautiful there too. Australia is beautiful. Yeah, we got a lot going on. I'm checking everything, making sure I didn't miss anything I should miss. Shout out to Happy Valley. Shout out to Happy Valley. Hey, Philly, Penn State. Speaking of the devil, Ron Burgundy. I just made a mention of that. Philly, Penn State representing. I used to teach for one of the off campuses of Penn State. Yep. Now I don't. Here we go. Pilgrims landing on Plymouth Rock itself, and it wasn't identified as a landing spot until 1771, over 150 years later. Then they carved it in, I'm guessing, at that time, so they knew. Okay, well, we learned. I didn't know if they carved it that time. Alaska in the house. We got Pensacola representing. All right, and hello, Regal Chess. RegalChess.com. There you go. Free shout out for you. I'm watching this. Let's go ahead. It's Casino Thursday. Or Casino Wednesday for me. So I haven't played anything yet. Keeping an eye on these. Eyes coming back down, getting new higher lows here on the minute charts. Keep an eye on them. Kind of cutting through. It's right on that line. They're breaking just a little bit out of it. Something's going to happen. We selling off? I'm going for it. I want to have some fun. I'm probably going to get burned. And I did. That's a quick 70. Let's see what happens here. So we're breaking down below. And when I see that, I like to try to play this. I'm expecting a little bit of selling. I don't know if it'll happen. But if it does, I'll take it. If not, I take the loss and I move on. So we're right at that. Now I'm playing a 50-50 call. If this sells, I get a big wash and I get this where I need it to be. If it rebounds up, I take the hit and that's it. So more times than not, we'll get a little bit of selling. But I'm looking for the big red one. All right, we're getting there. A little bit of red. There it is. So I take it. I sell half. I lock it in. And it gave me a horrible price. It didn't give me the price. Wow. I didn't get it, guys. Oh, it did. I got it. But then it rebounded right back. Look at that. So I did get it. I sold half here. Instant reversal. So many day traders sold at the same exact moment. Wow. I got exactly what I wanted, sold when I wanted, locked in the gains on half of them. But the second afterwards, you got this massive rebound. That means all of us covered at the same time. I still got my 8. We'll see what happens here if we push back down. Wow, that's crazy. That is a crazy thing to see, guys. We're moving back. Let's see if we can get this back down. I was doing good. That was a good play. It just didn't work because of that rebound, man. That hit. I think I got the price. I'll have to go back and review it, but I did everything I'm supposed to do. Let's continue to take some risk here. Hey, we're back up to 70. Let's go. That is crazy. I trade the 1 minute chart, guys. And this is not a great trade. If I have a great trade, like yesterday, I had 50 contracts worth $5,000, quick trade. Within, I'd say 3 minutes, I was able to make $1,000. On YouTube, I try not to go too crazy because I don't want you guys seeing, oh, Moe's trading $5,000 for a trade. Look at that instant reversal right there. Instant reversal. 71 cents back to 6. So that's that green right there. Yeah, that's ugly. Let's put a stop on this. Let's take the emotion. Wow. Wow. That's some scary stuff. We need this thing to push back down. Don't know if it's gonna. We're just sideways. All this trading today, and I'm down $5. Might be more, though. This thing's not doing what I needed to do. We broke underneath here, which should have pushed us down, but it's not. We had a nice run down. This looks like your ultimate bottom right here. So we know once we hit there, massive sell orders or call it buy orders. So I got to keep an eye on that zone. And I'm probably going to lock this thing down because we're going the wrong direction, family. Okay. Did not do what I needed to do. Well, that was a weird one. Did you guys see that? Down we go. We hit right here, sell half of them within a second. And I don't even know if I got the price I needed. This thing pushed all the way up to the 50, which is a massive change, which ends up having some red there. Okay, still sideways. I'll say it again. If you guys look where we're at, we're still where we were at noon, and it's almost 3. Trade coach, I know you're watching. Do me a favor. You do not have to mod right now. You can take off at 3. Don't worry about it. I'll cover the comments at that point. 5 minute to choppy. Trade the 4-hour and daily charts. It works out better. I'll have to, you know what I'll have to do? And what I'm going to have to do one of these days is I'm going to trade different ways every day. In other words, I'll trade, like one day I'll trade, I'm going to try just throwing, I'm going to throw in the reversal here. And this might not work out, but I'm going to give it a shot. Go with some calls on this. I think what I'll do is I'll trade. Let's see if we can get like, there you go. Keep moving up. There you go. I'll lock in half of them. That's a quick couple bucks there. Not a lot. We're just trying to get our money back. I don't like being down. Okay, we'll lock in one more. We're up 5.5 on those. And it's coming back down. Look how quickly that happened. So at that point, I closed the position because we're coming back. And that, my friends, is a pain. We finally got a breakout, and that happens? Come on. So we got I call this a Thor's hammer, where we come up, we hit it. And it's very, very, very bearish, which now it comes up to the 50. It's hitting the 50, and we're coming back down. So you have this massive push all the way back down. We were having a good run there, making some money, quick money. And these are in a very shallow zone. So even if you just look here, from 230 on, we are right here. Look, we're going to reverse. Now that's what I call, now that's a bullish candle. So we'll play the candles. I'm not afraid. We'll jump in and out. This is the fun thing of doing what I do. Boom. Nope. Still bearish. You guys like this? What do we got here? Mosif, please. What are you asking for? Real Chris. What'd you ask? That was the 5 minute 48 EMA. Real Chris. Your ass support. Happy hump day. Katie will go. Very nice message, Katie. There. I love each other. World peace. I love it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. You guys like this trading or no? I know a lot of people like to watch. So you got, now this is what they call a hammer. This should be bullish, and you got a double hammer here, but you notice how it's hitting here and it's bouncing back up. I believe at that point we would have the spread on these things. We're testing. We hit down here, watching to see what happens. We're at the 50. Oof. Moving higher. Still higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. In other words, we keep moving up, but we got a lower high here. It is a lower high. This is a little dangerous. Let's take some chances though. It's Casino Thursday. You guys know, follow me in the Discord. On these casino days, I love to have a little bit of fun. And I don't want to be in these long. I'm looking for 5%. But 1 more cent. 59. My eyes are bad. That is the 3. I got it. 3.5 cents on that. Quick $75. Get my money back. 60. 61. I'll take it. 62, 7 cents. We got our 20. We're back in the good graces of the positive gods. Let's go. And where are we at? We got a little bit of green. So we did get the green I was expecting. Let's see if we can just lock in a little bit more, and then we'll set the stop. We'll take in 2 more. So, and then we'll set the stop for the last 3. So we'll go stop. We'll go 1 cent above the original. If we hear the ding of doom, we know it's no good. But if it runs, it's good. Maybe we can make a few bucks here. I like to do this. There's days I'll make 1,000. There's days I lose 1,000. It's normally between 200 to 1,000. The 13's about to cross right here, and I like to play that as a call. I got ding a doom though. $5, folks. $5. All this action for $5. Come on. Oh. We gotta rip this thing. We gotta rip this thing. All right, trade coach, you done? I got this. So 13 looking. So this is such a narrow band. I think what I'm going to do, look at the spread on the 125, 130. And you get a 5 cent spread on that, but only a 1 cent spread on the right outside. That's weird. Woo! Woo! Do you ever do futures? No, I have not. I have not done futures. Happy Thanksgiving to you, John. $5 Moe. I appreciate everybody supporting the channel. You guys, if you haven't taken advantage, and I mean this, the technicals that I do here, I teach in a master class. First link down below, code crypto, CRYPTO. It is literally a master class. Let's go for it. Now, I'll probably get burned on this one, but I'm going for it. And I think we're going to get a quick rip. And I did. I saw it go to 65. So I want to get a quick, there it is. Just quick 30-something bucks. On those 10, I got the other 10. There it is. Oh, folks, I got it. I'm so slow. I can't do it. No. How I do this, once I get up to a level I like, I'll peel them off as the time ticks. I'm taking off 2 more. It's about, anybody have followed along, about 14% on that. Now let's do a stop. We'll let that last 3 run. We'll go 64. We'll see if we get up. If it runs, that's great. If it doesn't, nothing we can do about it. So that's a quick 100. So we're back in the positive. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. We're almost there at stop. What was the stop on this thing? Oh, 64. Come on. There you go. Run it back up. We break this, it's a massive run, and I will get my 200. If we don't break this, we're right at that same area. I call it a zone, even though we're at resistance. I did expect to go up there. That's why I played that. We got it. Made the money, got the stop set. If it runs and breaks this, it doesn't look like it's gonna. Probably won't. Should be a ding and doom if it goes down 1 more. Nope, nope. Push up, push up. This resistance, watch it go up now. Yeah. What are we up? 96 bucks. Boo. So we hit resistance. This has been trading that resistance. Well, I made the money I wanted to, but I really want to see it break it and take off. class is pure fire, Johns. Anybody, I'm telling you, it's a year of my life. The team, it's crazy how much work we put into that. If you guys have not done it, you're going to want to do it. Crossover 13 this morning. That's good. $300 on 10 contracts is really good. That's a really good game. Here we go. See, I told you it comes down, hits the 5, starts bouncing up. If it breaks it, I'm not going against this short-term trend. Like right now, I'd love to do puts because we're right at that resistance. And you can see we're playing it. If it breaks it, it runs big time. And I don't want to go again. I got burned on that over here, even though it did come down like I told you it would. We got to get that 200 though. Am I right? You guys with me on this? We won't do as big a risk on this. I'll keep an eye on this. See, because once it hits it, it really starts to sell off. So I want to get ready for. We're just getting ready. I want to see. We're at the 5. You got to be patient. We're at the 5. We're at resistance. We're at the 5. 5 is going to act as support. Resistance. Look how narrow this zone is. All right. I'm going to play that like the other ones. We're going down. There it is. I can't go quick enough. There it is. Boom. Quick 10 cents. We got it. Okay. Take it. Got to be quick. I'll take the 8 cents. Okay. Now the last 3 are get me over 200. Can we do it? I'll set a stop just in case of reversal at 92. We don't want to stop. I want to get over 200 with these last 3 and then call it a happy live stream. And I will get ready to get out of 1. No, that should have stopped me out. Yeah, there's the stop. 167. We need $30-something more, family. I didn't get it. I didn't get my 200. We won't risk too much here. That's what I was waiting for. I was just going to play it. Yeah, we're going to play this real quick. See if we can get a quick couple of cents out of this or not, or if it's going to rebound up. Just looking to try. Nope. Rebound up. Looking for the breaking of the 50 to come down. Let's see if we get it. I don't think the 50, every time we get up here and hit this, we do go below the 50. This would be the one. This would get me my money. Trying to get up. Nope, not yet. Push it. Not yet. Need this to push right here. One nice red candle gets me my 200. That's it. Come on. One more cent. That's it. So that gets me my 200. That's all I'm striving for. 117. Go one more. 120. I just want my $200 for Thanksgiving. You guys are watching a masterpiece being played. So we got our 10% on this order, and we played the short trend, and we set the stop, and we enjoy Thanksgiving. I'll do 118. We got, I got stopped. Oh, that's because it pulled up so quick. All right, we did it. 200 and something dollars was my goal for the day. That's what I normally shoot for. So there's a lot of trading in there. I shoot for $200 when I'm doing YouTube or in the Discord. If you guys enjoyed watching this, let me know. Once again, this throws into my pot that I have for day trading only. Yeah, there's Mrs. Moe. Hey, everyone. You all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. We're thankful for all of you. We are. Kalen in the house. Let's go, Kalen. Happy Turkey Day, everybody. On our play, let's go. Mo Casino, Wednesday. Yeah, do you guys like this? Hit the like button if you like it. How many likes do we got on this video? Look at this. You guys like this trading. You don't want me to stop. Yeah, you guys are watching behind the scenes, Chris. This is really how I do it. Now, I'll be honest. None of these trades would I have made with the big money. None. There is not one trade here I liked. Now, I use what I do and my expertise and years of training to trade quickly on what we just did. And for those in the Discord, you guys can confirm about 80% of the overall days I make money day trading. That's live in front of people. I use very, very good risk management. Some people would say, oh, I don't like trading the way he does. He does it in minutes, in seconds. I like to trade the 5-minute, the 10-minute, the 15-minute, the hour, and that's fine. Honestly, it really is. Everybody has great techniques. 90-something% of people who day trade will fail. That is the statistics that are out there. Over 90% of day traders fail long term. I am not one of them. I am one of the 10%. I am not afraid to go on YouTube and do it live. There's not a lot of YouTubers that do that. We are at resistance again. See this? Okay, I'm going to get the, should I go calls? No, Mo. You don't go calls. You don't go calls, Mo. You do not go calls. You go puts. Look at the spread on that. I don't think I even want to touch it. Is that a 10-cent spread? Good grief. Let's do 6 contracts on the puts. I'm only going to risk a little bit. I want to do it on a big burst. On a big burst. Push, push. We're going to give this a candle to see if it breaks. Okay. We're going to try 6 contracts real quick. Because if it breaks, I can lose a ton, and I don't want to. I only did 6, which is a half of a teeny position. Okay, if it runs, nope, it's running. Still green. Giving some back. Let's see if what it does here. This could be a break. More times than not, though, it will push back down. It's been pushing down all day. Is it finally going to break and cost me? It's right at the line. It's right at the line. I don't know. They're battling. This is honestly, for anybody day trades, you know we are at a major, major, major point where it's either going to explode higher or not. Okay, we're right at the line that we were at last time. This pushed up here, right here. This turns red. It's a beautiful candle for the next one. This is a nice candle if it turns red. Let's see. The bulls are in charge. The bulls are in charge. I gave some back on this one, guys. Gave some back. Getting ready to get out of this one. It is breaking. And right here is the absolute highest. Oh, you guys, you freaking. Yeah, this is the last candle. Because at this candle, it is going on all the way up to there. Yeah, it got me. I gave back good 70-something bucks. Unfortunately, I'm not going to keep holding because we broke right here is what I was playing. I gave it 2 extra candles. It ran $100 and something. I can't complain. I can still buy a turkey for that. Ay, 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 ay. All right, family. That, my friend. So I want to leave on a bad note. I don't know. Let's watch this for a second. So here's what I'm watching. I'm not, we might have one more play. This is the play I'd be watching. All right. So this is where the bulls failed last time. Will they fail here again? I don't know. I would do a regular position on this if they do. So I don't know if we're going to play this or not. We're going to watch. This is where they failed last time after a major run, and it really dropped for 4 minutes. It got there again. I want to see if it does the same thing. I am willing to lose a little bit. Let's see. If it breaks, the calls could be the play. Not doubling down, just waiting. All right, here's where they hit it again. See how it hits it? Right there. Right there. This is where you'd want to buy right now. The problem is if it breaks, it really has a monster candle. Oh, we're right there. They're ending, look at, and the RSI is getting up there close to 67. Woo-wee! There's the break. You would expect it to come down, but it's not. RSI is ripping up. Let's go. I'm not in anything yet, just watching. It broke, though. This is where hold on. That RSI is ripping up, 67. There's the selling. The pressure's there. You don't know, man. It's right at that resistance. It's never going to be, they're not going to repeat, but they'll rhyme. In other words, this has been a very narrow trading day on this channel. Up and down, very, very thin. Unfortunately for me, it makes it very difficult to day trade. Now, the other day, we had a beautiful day to trade. Big money made. We'll see what happens here. All right. So we got our first red. There's the green because the bears come back in. The bulls eat them. There's a monster candle. Monster candle. They just destroyed the bears. They're destroying them. Now, what this does, though, is this sets up for a little bit of red, a little bit of pullback. Wow. Oh, just turns red. That's nasty. Wow. Look how sharp that is. They ain't messing. They not messing. We broke it. That broke. This should run. The last two tops have topped out here and here. We're right there again. In other words, the bears should, oh, just so bad. Oh, I'm going to go for it. We'll see. Going to take a little bit of risk here. The bears should be able to hold this. I don't know. And they're going to break right when I do it. No. That's rough. You make your decision to go for it. You see it kind of going sideways now. You're waiting. And all of a sudden, they get the next big push. And so we don't know. It's not looking good. Casino Wednesday truly is Casino Wednesday. Keep an eye on it. We'll see if it breaks that or if it pushes back down. I got to be blunt. We are right at that zone, that zone. This is the zone that it's failed 3 other times. We're still in the zone. If it pushes under the bottom line, it did what I thought it would do. If it pushes above, I'll put it here. If it pushes above this, It's not doing what I thought it would do. Come on. We're at 140, 141. There it is. There it is. What? Come on, man. Push it. We should be up a nice chunk of change. It's not. Oh, come on. The decay's eating me here. Need to break this down. 141. 144. There you go. I need more than that, though. 172. I'll give it one. I'm getting greedy. I'm getting greedy. All right. I'll take half, because as greedy as I want to be, I've been in this where it starts to run the other way. And we don't want that to happen. I'm looking for 150 for the last two. Let's get us up there and get my 200 back. There you go. We're at the 13. There it is. 200 again. There we go. We got our 200 back. Let's just oh, we got her way over 200. I'm going to be able to buy a pumpkin pie. I love it when a plan comes together. I'm sorry, B.A. Baracus. I'm thinking the 18 back in the day. All right, 206. I'll set the stop at, what are we at, 150? 210. I can go 10 cents down, so I'll go 144. I guarantee if we get, oh, I'm stopped. $201. I got my 200. So I'm glad I did the one more trade, because it got me my 200 for the day. Now, if you guys haven't done it, I mean this. You guys have to take the class. It is this one right here, the technical analysis class. It's everything I do. I teach it slow, your own pace. We have some live events in there as well for teaching and watching the trades and being able to ask. Guys, get in there. Take advantage of this. Code crypto. Saves you 400 and something off the individual. The options class is next level stuff. Starts to teach you strategies. The crypto for the beginners to really teach you that. The bundles are down here. Use code crypto today. Black Friday sale. It's only for a couple days, so make sure you take advantage of that. And if you're not in the Discord and you like watching this today, second link down below, code HOPE, 50% off at checkout. Earner tier gets you that. I hope you love this. That's it for today. I'll see you in the Discord.